here are 6 ETFs to make your dividend snowball faster. The dividend snowball is the process of reinvesting the dividends you earn from dividend ETFs or individual dividend stocks. Essentially, you are buying more shares of an ETF with the dividend income you received, and the hope is over months, years, and even decades that the amount of dividends you receive will snowball and become larger and larger to the point where you can retire strictly off of dividend income. Many people think of this like a snowball rolling down a hill, where the longer your snowball rolls, the bigger and faster your snowball becomes. Now, the keys to make your dividend income snowball faster is through 2 ways. Number 1 is dividend growth. This is when an ETF pays a consistently growing dividend every single year, so we will outperform inflation and never run out of money. Number 2 is capital appreciation. Now, dividend income is fantastic, but if we have a high dividend yield, like QYLD, for example, with its over 11% dividend yield. Who cares, because this is a perfect example of dividend yield chasing, where the dividend growth is very inconsistent. The share price has dropped a ton over the last decade, and it doesn't even matter because yield chasing is a perfect way to underperform the S&P 500, which QYLD has over its lifetime. But on the other hand, if we have capital appreciation alongside dividend growth, we benefit both ways to grow our money and our dividend snowball faster to have the most amount of money in our portfolio in the long run. So in this video, I'm going to go over 6 of the best ETFs to make that dividend snowball faster that have a good capital appreciation and even better dividend growth. So without further ado, let's get started. The first ETF is DGRO iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. I mean, by its name, it's a true dividend growth ETF, and it has even received a gold star by Morningstar. DGRO seeks to track the investment results of an index composed of US equities with a history of consistently growing its dividends year over year across a broad diversified range of industries. Some of DGRO's top holdings are JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, AbbVie, Apple, and Microsoft. It has a very low expense ratio of just 0.08%, awarding it a perfect A+ rating by Seeking Alpha. The dividend yield of DGRO is around 2.25%, with a 5-year annual dividend growth rate of 9.3%, and has seen 9 years of consecutive dividend growth, and plotting this dividend growth on a chart is as good as it gets, with that dividend growth every single year very evident. The returns of DGRO are very excellent for a well-diversified basket of dividend stocks of over 11% annually over the last 5 and 10 years, making this ETF a great candidate for the dividend growth portion of your dividend ETF arsenal. The second ETF is schd, Schwab's US Dividend Equity ETF. schd seeks to track the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, an index focused on quality dividend stocks that pay above average dividend yields and that can sustain their dividends well into the future. Some of SHD's top holdings are Lockheed Martin, AbbVie, BlackRock, Home Depot, Coca-Cola, and Amgen. The fund has the lowest expense ratio so far on our list of just 0.06% that easily deserves an A+ rating by Seeking Alpha. The dividend yield of SHD is around 3.5%, with a 5-year annual dividend growth rate of 12.88%, which is in the double-digit territory and is absolutely insane, and has seen 12 years of consecutive dividend growth, and all looks fantastic on a chart if you plot its dividend payments year over year, which is going to be fantastic for our dividend snowball. The returns of SHD are also fantastic, of over 11% annually over the last 10 years and over 12% annually over the last 5 years, making this a great choice for more value-oriented investors looking for large, reliable, and high-paying dividend companies that are less technology-oriented for the long run. The third ETF is VIG, Vanguard's Dividend Appreciation ETF. Just like its name, VIG seeks to invest in stocks with a track record of consistently growing their dividends year over year, mostly in large cap equities from the S&P US Dividend Growers Index. Some of VIG's top holdings are Apple, Broadcom, Microsoft, JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, and United Health. The fund is of course tied for the lowest expense ratio on our list of just 0.06%, which of course is an A+ Seeking Alpha rating. The dividend yield of VIG is around 1.7%, with a 5-year annual dividend growth rate in the double digits of 10.26%, and has seen 10 years of consecutive dividend growth, making this a great example of an ETF that easily grows its dividends year over year despite having a lower starting dividend yield of under 2%. The returns of VIG are strong as well, of over 11% annually over the last 10 years and over 12% annually over the last 5 years, making this a great choice for those investors who want more exposure to technology stocks and have a longer time horizon because of VIG's lower starting dividend yield. The fourth ETF is DGRW, WisdomTree's US Quality Dividend Growth Fund ETF. DGRW invests in dividend-paying stocks with growth characteristics to hopefully have high capital appreciation, but also some good dividend payments for investors. Some of DGRW's top holdings are Microsoft, Apple, Broadcom, AbbVie, Johnson & Johnson, and Nvidia. The fund has a touch higher expense ratio of 0.28%, awarding it a B+ rating by Seeking Alpha, but that's okay because this ETF pays its dividends every single month, and that's going to cost a lot more to WisdomTree. The dividend yield of DGRW is around 1.5%, with a 5-year annual dividend growth rate of 4.09%, and has seen 0 years of consecutive dividend growth, but that's very misleading because it has actually grown its dividend quite a bit since 2014, and with monthly dividend payments like DGRW is, you can really speed up your dividend snowball way faster, hence why it's on this list. The returns of DGRW are the highest on this list, and that's going to make up for its lackluster dividend performance of over 12% returns annually over the last 10 years and over 14% returns annually over the last 5 years, making this a great ETF for those wanting monthly dividend payments as well as high returns in the long run. The fifth ETF is VYM, Vanguard's High Dividend Yield ETF. Of course, VYM's goal is to invest in stocks with high dividend yields from the FTSE High Dividend Yield Index. Some of VYM's top holdings are Broadcom, JP Morgan Chase, ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Home Depot. The fund in Vanguard fashion has a low expense ratio of just 0.06%, awarding it an A+ rating by Seeking Alpha. The dividend yield of VYM is just under 3%, with a 5-year annual dividend growth rate of 5.81%, and has seen 13 years of consecutive dividend growth, which is the absolute highest on our list for receiving higher dividend income in the future alongside an already high dividend yield. The returns of VYM are also solid of over 10% annually over the last 5 and 10 years, which makes this ETF perfect for those who want high dividend payments right now, as well as a higher starting dividend yield. The sixth ETF is Noble, the S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrat ETF. Noble invests in high-quality dividend-paying stocks that have paid their dividend out and grown them for at least 25 years. Most of these stocks have paid their dividend and grown them for over the last 40 years because they are strong fundamental companies that have strong profit histories, as well as strong growth and have solid fundamentals. Some of Noble's top holdings are Kenvue, VH Robinson Worldwide, AbbVie, Stanley Black & Decker, Aflac, and Clorox. The fund has a touch higher expense ratio of 0.35% with a B rating by Seeking Alpha, but that's just because ProShares, the fund manager, usually charges higher fees than something like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. The dividend yield of Noble is just over 2% with a 5-year annual dividend growth rate of 8.68% and has seen 1 year of consecutive dividend growth, which is misleading because considering that it has grown its dividend substantially since 2014. The returns of Noble are also very solid of over 10% annually over the last 10 years and just under 10% over the last 5 years, making this a great ETF according to ProShares for those investors who want to capture most of the gains in a rising market or a bull market, but also want to have fewer losses when the market goes into a recession or stock market crash because of these high quality dividend aristocrat stocks. Now, if you guys like this video, please give it a like because this cute puppy did. And right here is going to be a video on me ranking every single ETF portfolio and investing strategy, especially dividend paying ETF stocks. And right here is going to be a video on how to live off dividends from an ETF portfolio that I have personally created. Now, hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, continue to crush in the stock market, and take it easy. Peace.